I forgot to turn the camera on again before I started. But yeah, I had a small little issue with my shift cable. It broke. And also because I plan to do maintenance actually tomorrow. Then it was quite good timing. So maintenance is cleaning, putting new chain, new cassette, and now also new shifter cable. So yeah, and the cassette before it was like 11:28. Now it's gonna be 12:32. So it's 12 teeth on the first chain ring, and 32 on the last one. So it shouldn't lose like high gear so much, but I still will gain like better climbing gears. So it's time to test them out tomorrow. So, and also, as I think this crank, it's the last time I'm gonna use it. Next time I think I will put a new one. I just cleaned it, now it's ready to go almost. And the worst part, this is my rear derailleur. Speaking of shit, it's all over it. But yeah, I will work on it and put it back together eventually, like in an hour or so. Otherwise it's gonna be no sleep night. Alright. So 3 hours or something later, new cassette, new chain are installed, derailleur and the crank are cleaned, and the room is a mess. So, and shifter cable is also changed, so it works now perfectly. Look at yourself. So, couple of days have passed. The new cassette is really good. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty, but the weather was today so and yesterday. But the thing that decided to give up is the cranks. Not the cranks exactly, but chain rings. You can see they're quite dead already. So I went to City Bike, got myself a new one. So let's open it up. Oh, by the way, I've been had a couple days since I filmed the last clip. So yeah, new and shiny. So let's put them on. So I managed to mess around a little bit, but yeah, basically I forgot to take out the bolt before I used the crank puller. So basically I couldn't screw it in, and I broke some threads inside there. But that's okay, because this goes to scrap. Now let's put back the new parts. Oh, and by the way, the new crank came with those hex bolts that I like more. So yeah, oh yeah. New crank looks more nicer than the old one. Yeah, let's put it quickly on and finish the video. And then there is this problem. When I took the pedals also out, and that hurts as my ears. The other one, the left side one, is even shittier. So let's fix them also. And I know what everybody gonna say. Don't do something like this. Yeah, don't do it. but I don't have an option because I don't have any sockets. So I'm gonna do exactly like I do. And now pedals also look like they work better. So that's it for this video. See you next time. I think if next time I'm gonna change something, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So like this video if you like to learn how to make something like this, and see you in the next video.